Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is September the 8th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. This one has the scalper, this blue and yellow line, gives an audio sound and a pop-up box as you see right here where it says scalping, suggesting whether you should buy or sell, as you can see right here. And then of course the other alerts are part of the super signal indicator. That's the one with the blue and red arrows. Now every morning 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer right where this vertical line is, going through all the different instruments and taking a look at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision I want to be buying or selling, I manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan, EA. It's running in real time, suggesting whether you should be looking for bullish and or bearish trades. Now you can easily change this if you are a swing trader or a position trader. I have everything preset for day trading. I like to get into trades, make those pips and ticks, and then close the trades and be done trading for the day. So as I mentioned, it is preset for day trading. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's a very good reason why you are struggling. Now if you have any questions, well, just Skype me. Now let's take a look at the trades I took today. Euro yen, the first one, I bought it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, arrows from the super signal, scalper is saying to buy. Well, easy decision to make. So I bought it. Arrow got in, went a little bit sideways, and then finally it went. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with about 18 pips. And that paid out $128. Took all the trades before 7:30 in the morning, closed them all out just a little bit after 9, almost within a minute of each other. And it's about 9:30 in the morning right now as I'm doing this video, and I am done trading for the day. Usually, most people are starting their day job at 9 o'clock or earlier, and by the time they start their job, I am finished. That leaves me the rest of the day to do whatever I please, and that is one of the main reasons I got into trading 19 years ago. So I have a lot more freedom. Okay, let's run a check on the next trade I took, the pound yen. Wanted to be buying it from the daily trade plan. Super signal said to buy. Scalper said to buy. So that's exactly what I did right here. Bought it and it went up just like I thought it would do. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out here just being happy, locking in 20 pips. And that paid out $142. Okay, let's run a check on the next trade, which is gold. On gold, it pays $10 for each tick, and looking at the money, well, this should be 19.4. So I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. The scalper said to sell. Super signal said to sell. So that's exactly what I did. I sold it. I went sideways. It jumped up to this area of resistance and then it continued to go down. Ended up closing out, got in at this cursor and I closed it out here. Like I said, it should be 19.4. That's close enough. Let's just say 19 ticks, and that paid out $194. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. This one I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. This one, like the other trades, qualified for a great way to trade. Well, most of the trades anyhow. Let's see where I got in at. Right here at this cursor. And what time was this? That was the Forex. There was some news at this point in time. You have to be aware of the news. So you have to check your calendar for news. Anytime you see a big candle like this, it's always some high impact news. You just have to find what the news is. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy, locking in 32 pips, and that paid out $242. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Let's see now. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Scalper said to sell. The super signal said to sell. It's very important that you have all 4 packages if you wish to succeed at trading. Trading is very difficult, and the more education you get, the faster you will get to the point of being a successful trader. It does take a considerable amount of time and patience. So I got in at this cursor right here, just below the white arrow, and I closed it out at this point, just being happy. Looks like with about 37 pips, and that paid out $271. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. The scalper said to sell. Super signal said to sell way back here. And of course, did qualify for a great way to trade when I took the trade. Let's see where I got in at. Right here. Just to let you know, with the super signal, it's tradable in both directions. You can either go down or you can go up. But going down with the trend obviously will pay more than going up against the trend, at least the trend on the 15-minute time frame, as you can clearly see. It's going down. So I took the trade at this cursor and again closed it out, just being happy. Looks like with about 45 pips, and that ended up paying out $330. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Gonna drop it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a half decent reading on it. But as it looks, I wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, and scalper said to buy. Now this is just a pullback up to the goal line. You can watch the videos on how to trade pullbacks. I teach exactly how to do that. Well, let's just see. Drag and drop this in. Should have waited for a little bit more of a pullback, but that's okay. Now I took the money here, divided by $3.75, and the calculator says it should be 440 ticks. For sure I won't be able to get it right on, but I'll get close to it. Yep, that's, what did I say, 440. 445 and 430. That's as close as I'm going to be able to get. 439, but the calculator says it's 440. And all of those ticks paid out $1,650. So another great day of trading. Fantastic way to end the week. I knew it was going to be well over 200, especially with this DAX 30. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and the grand total came to 611. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,958. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my super scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, it's quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you will get my contact information and a lot of other information. So like I said, let's say that this is the video here. All you have to do is look right below the video. and you'll see this banner that I keep highlighting. All you got to do is click on it anywhere. It'll open up another window, and then as you scroll down, you'll see my connection for Skype. All you got to do is click on this link right here. We'll have Skype connection, and at that point I can answer your questions for free, no matter where you live in the world. Keep in mind that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time. You're going to need a lot of demo trading. You're going to need a lot of education. I do have a lot of education in the form of trading systems. And of course, as I mentioned before, you have to have a daily trade plan. Now when you buy from me, I do give support. And after all, you're going to have questions. And if most people you're buying from, you can't even ask questions, so you just continue to struggle with your trading. And if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now as you continue to scroll down, you'll see that there's 4 different packages. Do charge $250 each. Have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. Whatever you buy off of me, I'm happy to include a free Skype session to answer your questions. Anyhow, keep in mind that the Super Scalper does not include the Super Signal Indicator. That's in package number 4. So package 1 and 2, this is the packages that contain the bulk of the training videos. Each video is up to about 30 minutes long each. Number 2 is How I Trade Live. Number 3 is the Daily Trade Plan EA, has 4 training videos, and the Easy Trader has 4 training videos focusing on either the indicator and or the EA. Now as you scroll down, you'll see the package, what I teach in it. I do give a lot of training, a lot of education, and a lot of trading tips. Continuing to move down, same goes for the How I Trade Live. All this education plus many, many more trading tips. Continuing to scroll down, let's see now. We have the EA, and of course we have the Super Signal Indicator here. 4 videos focusing, as I mentioned before, on the indicator or the EA I should say, and I'm showing examples in each of the 3 trading sessions. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my phone number. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. You can also, if you wish, send me an email. Now I want to mention that it takes me about 2 weeks to do all the videos and put the packages together. Since I don't want to work for free, just want to mention that once you buy it, you have it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back, so please note there are no refunds. So just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Have a fantastic weekend, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.